Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you what little bit I know about GoToMeeting. So when you join a GoToMeeting, you'll get this thing that says Go to Opener, right? When you click on the access code that I give you. So click on the Go to Opener. GoToMeeting is going to open like this, and it's going to look like this. Now when you first open it, it's going to be this big window, and it's going to have you muted. So the first thing that you would want to do is unmute yourself, and then take this master window for GoToMeeting and click these two little arrows right here. What that's going to do is that's going to close up the GoToMeeting window and make it real tiny. Now it might close it up and put it up at the top of your monitor somewhere, but if you don't want it to be at the top of the monitor, just drag it and bump it into the left hand side of the monitor, and then it'll be just a little box like this. Okay, now you also have the other box where you're actually seeing my screen, and that box is bigger. But that box where you're seeing my screen, you can make that box larger or smaller by clicking down in the, like, if this isn't that box, but if this was that box, it'll have a little hashtag going across in the lower right corner that you can put your cursor on that hashtag and, you know, scrunch up the box diagonally to make it smaller or larger, right? So that'll help you get rid of that. But when it comes to the GoToMeeting window, if you need to send me a chat message, you can open the chat box without opening this entire GoToMeeting window. See? Because when you have this open, it's probably covering up a good portion of your screen that you don't want to waste that much space about. So you can close it up like that, and if you need to chat me a message, you can pull the chat window out, and you can put the chat window wherever you want it to be on your screen, where it's convenient for you to look at. Okay, so you could also change the size of the chat window by just clicking on it and making it wider by dragging it sideways or whatever, but usually it doesn't have to be too wide. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. By minimizing this GoToMeeting window, for one thing, it's going to leave you way more space on your screen, and I know especially for those of you who only have one or two monitors, having this big GoToMeeting window that looks like this, taking up, you know, about 1/5 of your screen, it makes a big impact on how much space you have to be looking at your charts and things like that. So just go ahead and minimize it by clicking these two little arrows, push it off to the left hand edge where it's usually more out of the way on the left than the right, and away you go. Hope this was helpful.